Did you know that 87% of data science projects never make it to production? MLOps is changing that. It's the bridge between data science and IT operations, ensuring models are not just built, but deployed effectively. This video is brought to you by BusinessCompassLLC. We are an Amazon Web Services Advanced Consulting Partner and Well-Architect Partner. We have certification distinction. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. We are partners with Azure, Google Cloud, Databricks, Snowflake, Salesforce.com, Trend Micro, and Prevail. We specialize in data and analytics, AI and ML, Gen AI, web, and app development. Our AI offering is AI for You. Check out a4u.cloud. We provide wide range of natural language processing, or NLP services, infused with Gen A1 for language and document to offer multimodal capabilities. We have Concept to Code, offering to translate ideas to products fast. See concepttocode.ai. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. MLOps addresses key challenges in machine learning, like scalability and reproducibility. By integrating these practices, teams can streamline workflows and enhance collaboration, making machine learning more accessible and impactful. Creating your first machine learning model can be daunting, but it starts with understanding the basics. Choose a problem, gather data, and select an algorithm. These steps lay the foundation for your model. Tools like TensorFlow and PyTorch simplify the process. They offer pre-built models and extensive documentation, making it easier for beginners to dive into machine learning without getting overwhelmed. Transitioning from a model to deployment involves several steps. First, ensure your model is robust and tested. Then, package it with necessary dependencies for a seamless deployment. Best practices include using containerization tools like Docker. They help in creating consistent environments, ensuring your model runs smoothly across different platforms. Scaling machine learning operations requires strategic planning. Focus on automating repetitive tasks and optimizing resource allocation to handle increased workloads efficiently. Effective resource management is crucial. Use cloud platforms like AWS or Azure to dynamically scale resources, ensuring your operations remain cost-effective and responsive to demand. Monitoring deployed models is vital for maintaining performance. Regularly check for data drift and model accuracy to ensure your predictions remain reliable over time. Maintenance involves updating models as new data becomes available. This continuous improvement cycle helps in adapting to changing environments and maintaining model relevance. Common MLOps challenges include managing complex workflows and ensuring data quality. Avoid pitfalls by implementing robust data validation and version control practices. Solutions like automated testing and CICD pipelines can streamline processes. They help in catching errors early and maintaining a smooth workflow from development to deployment. Emerging trends in MLOps include the rise of AI-driven automation and edge computing. These technologies promise to enhance efficiency and bring machine learning closer to real-time applications. Understanding these trends is crucial for staying ahead. As MLOps evolves, it will continue to shape the future of machine learning, making it more integrated and impactful across industries. We've covered building, deploying, and scaling ML models. By embracing MLOps, you can transform your machine learning projects from concepts to impactful solutions. Start implementing MLOps practices today. By doing so, you'll enhance your team's productivity and ensure your models deliver real-world value consistently. Remember, the journey doesn't end here. Continue exploring, learning, and adapting to new MLOps practices to stay ahead in the ever-evolving tech landscape. By integrating MLOps into your workflow, you'll not only improve efficiency, but also drive innovation. Let's make machine learning a cornerstone of your success. Now it's your turn. Take the first step by reviewing your current processes and identifying areas for improvement. Small changes can lead to significant impacts. Join the MLOps movement today. Together, we can revolutionize how machine learning models are built, deployed, and scaled. Let's embark on this journey and make a difference.